All right, today wasn't a bad day. We end up looking at the MES today, which is Wednesday. Yeah, we took a live trade on the MES, and it was pretty successful. All right, check it out. Took a nice little live trade here on the MES. It's fair by trade, guys. Man, June 18th, it's flying. All right, so we took a two contract MES trade. It's what Wednesdays. I just made that up. And we're gonna see if we can get a nice little cool move like we did yesterday or day before yesterday. And this is my live account. I was trying to trade a funded account. I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if it didn't roll over or what, but I wasn't able to do a funded account today. So, which I was gonna trade my live account anyway. So now we're just gonna do both. So right now we are in profit. And we're gonna let this bad boy run and see if it wants to get up here. Add a couple contracts. So we'll see. Let's see what we're working with up here. If it does come up here, we'll see where we can add. Anyway, but we're in profit right now. So we're just trading what we see. And MES was technically just a good bust through, man. It came up to the 20. It went down first, right? And I was looking for a short, of course, but I'm glad I didn't. It didn't come out and penetrate like I wanted it to. And boom. And they just went crazy and took off. And it was a slow creep though, right? I don't think anybody expected this to skyrocket like this, but it did. So it was a slow creep, but technically like a beautiful trade though, right? Nice trade. And now we're just looking for a home run, basically. Let's see if we can get this bad boy to come up here. It's a little resistance up here though. So let's just see what we're working with. If we can penetrate through there. Let's see. Just a little bit. It could pop through this box and have some motion up here a little bit. So we'll see. Honestly, we have no choice but to see because guess what? We're looking at the charts. It's live, right? It is 9:52, and I didn't check if it was any news today that would like bounce me back. Today's Wednesday the 18th. Nope. The next thing is 2 o'clock, which is the FOMC. This is the chair going to be talking at 2:30. So yes, so the market's probably getting ready to do what it's got to do before all of that happens, because it's coming. So, and I don't think you can even trade prop firms around that time anyway. It's kind of weird. So they say rules, right? Personal account, no rules, just trade. All right, so let's see if we can get up in this area. That'll be beautiful, but there's a little resistance here. We're on a 2-minute time frame. This is the MES, which is the micros to the S&P, which is the ES and the minis if you're doing futures. And we caught a little a Hail Mary off of the 20, right? And I got in on this candlestick right here. This bad boy right here, and stop was right here. And as you can see, I wanted to get, it'd be great if you can get up in this area. So let's just see what we're working with, guys. Let's just see. I like the move though. Nice extended move. We're all in right now for $39. So let's just see. Actually, let's put myself at break even. All right, bare minimum. I don't want to lose any money. We're gonna see if this boy can get up in this area. Ooh, nice push. I gotta like that. Let's see. Ooh, nice little pullback. But nice strong candle, strong green candle. So you gotta respect it. But let's see if it's strong enough, because there's resistance up here. Ooh, look at that. Gotta be careful. Gotta have your stops in. Look at that spike back. All right. Wasn't upset with the trade, guys. Nice trade. And now, if you ask me, I'm still looking for, you know what? Let's throw the 20. Let's do the 200 EMA up here. SMA. Let's we'll keep it gold for right now. Okay, all right. So if we got a 200 up here, we're actually automatically thinking, you know, if you ask me short, but it is above the 200, so it could continue. It really could. Right, it really could. So let's see what it wants to do. I mean, look at these big points, man. So let's see. Let's see where it closes. Got about 17 seconds left. Let's see. Let's see. I would love for it to be closer down here, but I do like to trade. I'm not gonna lie. I still kind of like to trade. I just wish it came down a little further down, but you know, we collect what we collect, boy. So and this is a small account, right? I'm not trading a big boy, right? Not yet. So we're gonna build slow and record all these videos too. So let's see if this boy can still pop, or if this resistance area is gonna hold it. Let's see. Got time. My second trade too. All right. Okay. Benefit of the doubt. It could still drop. So all in all, $25. Well, actually $18. Because I still can play this either way. Short would probably be the route, but long is the route I would still take. Right? Just based on like my setup, based on how I trade. A long trade is still what I would look for. You know, everybody trades differently. You know, we gotta know that for sure. So everybody have their own little synopsis of how they trade and what they look for and all that good stuff. And yeah, trade differently, Shorty. I got mine, you got yours, and we see which one, you know, somebody gotta win. I mean, my stops are really tight, so I don't lose a bunch of money in the process. So, it's the joy of it. Like, I don't plan on losing a lot of money on most of my trades. So even if it was in the minis, if it was in the micros, it's still the same. Like, it's a very tight stop loss. And my goal is for it to continue going up, right? To be real, right? Or down if I'm shorting. So let's see if this does that. And if it doesn't, it's cool. Let's see. Let's see where it wants to go. 10 o'clock in 2 minutes. Just say actually less than 1 minute, and let's see. It could continue up like it did yesterday. Yesterday was crazy. I mean, today's Wednesday. Thursday was crazy. You know, so everybody losing their mind for sure. I'm sure this war doesn't make it easy. Come on, do what you're gonna do. Hurry up. Yeah, we're not gonna get trapped in this little area. There we go. Yeah, I didn't see that coming. Didn't see the trap. All right, so I went short here. The trend looks super friendly, so let's see if it wants to hold tight. I like the way the trade looked. See this bad boy going ahead. Okay, there we go. All right, so we push down nicely. And let's see where it wants to go now. It would just be my luck though. It wants to come all the way down. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm about to say, it would just be my luck. It wants to come all the way down here and chin check some fools. Let's get rid of these boxes. Let's get rid of the boxes. Let's see. Okay, got some juice in my battery. All right, I went ahead and took a long here just to scalp a little bit, right? Let's see where this bad boy wants to go. It may not go nowhere, but we're gonna find out today. Y'all ready to find out with me? Let's see. You know, y'all have faith in y'all charts. Y'all have faith in y'all setup that maybe it can get where you're hoping it would get to, which to me is up some of these highs up here. I would love for it to get up here and tap these boys. So for right now, that's what we're looking for. Right now, I'm gonna take some off. Come on, take that. Take that. Yeah. Take that from me. There we go. All right, let's just stay in the market. All right, let's just stay in. Definitely took 4 trades, way more than I wanted to take, but you know, let's give it what it needs, right? And right now it needs to perform, right? And right now it's performing. It's doing what it's supposed to do, and we're just gonna follow it. All right, and this TP up here, you know, we'll let it trail. If it comes back down, that's great too. All right, that's great too. It's beautiful. I mean, look at how big this candle is moving. All right. Yeah, beautiful trade. Now, is it gonna hold up here and tap into this blue line, which is actually the current high? I would love for it to, so I'm gonna add a contract. Yep, let's add a contract. I like this big blue movement, and let's see if we can get another blue boy to follow. Cool thing is I put myself still in break even, right? I'm not gonna lose on the trade, but you know, I like the movement. Bare minimum, I like the movement, and I'm not catching that whole move either, right? So it's at 62. I'm trying to get to 61. All right. Ooh, nice pullback. Nice. Oh, nice pullback. Goodness gracious. Beautiful pullback, which I hated to see it, but it came back. All right. What is it? 10:05. I would love for it to go back up. Goodness gracious. What a move down, y'all. What a move down. What a move down. I wonder if it wants to come back up and tap this. Now, I'll take some off the table right there. Man, what a move. What a move. The market is crazy. It's crazy. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do right now, but just wait. Just gotta wait, ladies and gentlemen. It's bold. He's bold though. Like, he's bold. He's bold. He is. He's testing the waters with me. Maybe trying to see if I'm trying to punk out. maybe trying to determine if I'm gonna give in, if I'm gonna exit the trade early, or if we're gonna move my stop. The market's just trying to force me to do something. And right now, I'm gonna hold tight. It takes me out. Honestly, this is my last trade anyway, so I'm good. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I don't care if I made $5, right? 'Cause I do have things to do, so I do got to bounce out of here pretty quickly. So I want to see how this trade plays out. When I say quickly, I mean next 30 minutes. So we'll see how this trade plays out. It may be still active for the next 30 minutes. It may be ranging for the next 30 minutes. So right now, I don't know what it's gonna do. Let's see. It's there, guys. Y'all see it. You've seen it in person. It is there, right there. It didn't touch it. It did not touch it. It probably will, but it didn't now, right? Right now, we are still in the game. I would love for this thing to push back up, guys. I would love for it to just escalate back up. But because I know it's shaky, I'm going to take it right there. There we go. And then, ooh, wow, unexpected hit like that. Okay. So let's do this. Let's get rid of that. Protect myself under here. Well, let's see. Now we got to manage a trade. Found a direction. I initiated a trade. I took profit. Now we're at the management stage to see like what this is about to do. And I would have lost $16, which honestly would hurt a small account, right? So that wouldn't have been a good look. So some people are like, oh, that's nothing. Nah, that's something on a small account. All right, let's get the break even bare minimum. You see where it's headed, right? Which you originally thought. Which I probably should have waited to add that contract. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It worked out. Now let's see if this bad boy wants to skyrocket in the next, 30 seconds or so. It's tinkering. It's tinkering down there. All right, there we go. All right, we're good. Good. We're up $80. Not bad for a quick, 30-minute. I don't know, was it even that long? How long has this video been? 20-minute run? But yeah. All right. I hope you learned something. All right. Fair by trade. All right. Here's a thought for your personal trader. The longer you stay in the game, the better chance you have of winning. That's fact, right? But the fastest way to get out the game is to blow up your account. Come on, man. Stay disciplined. Fair by trade.